Okay, let's keep looking. Number 15 now. Factoring with a generic rectangle is especially convenient when algebra tiles are not available or when the numbers are too large to manage. Use the diamond problem to help avoid guessing and checking, which can make times be challenging, or can make, well, whatever, which can be at times challenging. Wow. Use the process from problem 814 to factor 6x squared plus 17x plus 12, and then the questions below will guide your process. So these are good questions for you to follow as you are getting comfortable with factoring. When given a trinomial such as 6x squared plus 17x plus 12, what two parts of the generic rectangle can you quickly complete? Those two, because you know the 6x squared and the 12, those are going to be the two that you can already complete. So do those first. Again, if you're not printing out these notes, I may recommend you writing out the sections on problem 15, so you'll have the steps for this. And then step 2, how can you set up a diamond problem to help factor the trinomial? Well, since you know that these two have to be diagonals, then you're looking for something that multiplies to be 72x squared and adds to be 17x. Well, I run through my multiples, or my factors of 72. 8x and 9x work because they add up to be 17x, multiply to be 17x squared. So then when I'm completing them, here's my 8x, my 9x, those go in those diagonals, and then you can factor. So you need two things that are going to multiply to be 6x squared. So each of them has an x. So you could either use 2 and 3, or maybe you would first try 6 and 1, and then you would realize you can't multiply 6 by an integer to get 8 or to get 9, and so you know it has to be 2 and 3. So then 2x times what gives you 8x? 4. And then 3x times what gives you 9x? 3. And then you can multiply and see that 4 times 3 is 12. So you get 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 4, and you would have it. So again, before you start the next video, if you're not printing these out and taking notes on them, I would highly encourage you to write, let me put the other one up here too, number 15 steps out, so you can see how to factor. Okay, tune in for the last video of today.